Uh-oh.
Did it run out of power, Owen?
What do you need to do?
Can you turn the handle and give it some power?
Or just turn the radio?
No, it's near the antenna you get better reception because you're capacitive.
Can you crank it?
Should probably get a micro USB charging cable for it. Because it can charge cell phones. Right now the only cable we've got for it is for the Palm Trio. We've had this a while.